Welcome to Best RV channel. Nala Mari from Best RV in Torla, California. What's today behind me? It's the game changers and the travel trailers. Where you find a travel trailers where they bring the outdoor seating inside the trailers, where you could walk from your trailers straight to the outside to the nice side rear patio and enjoy the outdoors. Well, this is Bullet. They made it right on the 33 BBK. And I'm going to show you, it's a 33-foot travel trailers, rear kitchens, central living, a bedroom in the front, and the bathroom next to it. But what I really like is that what they did in the kitchen and in the back. And I want to show you the demonstration, how it's so easy, because some people, they say, it's going to be a lot of work when I want to camp. No, you don't have to, because if you went to a site, they don't give you room to open the rear, it's okay. Even if you close it, you still have a beautiful window. Let's show you the outside features. First is this is 33-foot travel trailers, rear kitchens with a central living and a bedroom in the front. But everybody, I mean, I wish it's night. I could show you this. So all this is LED light in this side, as well as the other side, and also in the center. They did really good, nice job. The Keystone Bullet in the front cab. They use a nice big molding in here with a diamond plate. They have also the pass-through storage, and this is I want to indicate, because if the light in the front and the back bother you, you could turn it off and the switch right there and you could dim them. This is show you it's aluminum structures, not a wood. It's not like a door. Big power awning. They even give you the place where you could put a bracket if you want to put the TV outside, but you don't have to. Cable hookup, satellite hookup, and 110. And so I could put my TV here, no question asked. This unit has the thermal package, which is mean 30,000 PTU furnace, as well installed underneath, enclosed underbelly with heated. They use Goodyear tires, not a Chinese bomb. I call them Chinese bomb. Look, all these two big GPL speakers. There's the big speakers, but this is the beauty here. This is really nice. Everybody tried to make our patio, but they give you a really nice, and then you could you see this is so easy to put lift up, and we'll demonstrate that in the video. I love those side LED lights. Now you can see in the shadow how they're bright. This is the big slide out here, and then you have endless hot water heater. This has also the solar panel, 30 amp controllers, and inverter prep, all docking station here. And then these are the two switches, because this unit comes with electric core stabilizer jack, two in the front, two in the back, and the switch is right there. Now let's go inside. Two propane tank with easy access and power tank jack. Let's go inside. I want to show you the inside because I'm excited to show you the inside more than the outside, because the outside is the standard. But the inside is a game changer. I love just this little tiny touch. How many times you walk from trailers you just really like this? You can't sit on this. At least they give you a bench. You could sit on it. You could do your shoes. When you walk in, you could keep your trailers and you could store your shoes. The kids, you and the wife here sit. And then if it's cold, you could put your coat here. No question asked. Now, going over here, I love this lounge. I could sit here, relax, enjoy the big TV, smart TV, 50-inch, the fireplace. I could have a nice conversation across from the J lounge. I could talk to them. So I could sit people here 3 or 2, and then I have 3 here. So easy, I could six people in this trailers with no problem and have nice communication. This one is a storage. And this one also, I want to show you here, for people they don't see this until I demonstrate it. It's ornament. So you could use them as a seating, or I could sit here on this lounge, stretch a little bit, sorry guys, and I could raise my feet up. I could watch the TV, or I could use them and I could sit and enjoy the talking. So I could use them as the benches. I could use them as ottoman for this J lounge, or as well I could use them as a storage, because they have room for like storage bins. So 2 storage bins, and I could use it as ottoman or seating. And then when I'm done, I could put it back like this. Very easy. And then again, this is a storage behind this lounge. So this lounge, I could sit 3 easy people on it. Cup holders, sit, relax, talk, enjoy the conversation, and watch the TV. Now, this people they think is a sofa. No, it's not a sofa. This is a recliners. But if you want a big area, you can sit more people here. Or if you just only the 2 of you, you drop this one. Voila. Let me put my hand. Where's my drink? Perfect. And again, you could see the TV because the TV is in a swing bracket. You could swing it and everybody could see the TV from everybody. So this is about the living area. Now, let's move to the kitchen area. This show me a trailer you could walk and within a second you're standing outside. And if you're gonna tell me, Niall, bugs, you have a screen here. No issue for bugs. Also, Niall, I need more area to sit me and the kids outside. Well, guess what? They give you a nice tables. You put chairs. Over here, you can enjoy the outdoor. Also, they give you a table here for bar stools. And you tell them, could you serve me some food? And you have a big counter space. A lot of closets. Convection microwave, 3-burner range, oven, and then you have a country sink with a nice faucet this way or that way. Kitchen countertop, and then don't tell me there's no pantry. This is a huge pantry with an adjustable shelf. More storage here, more storage. 11 cubic for reefer, sir. So this is the kitchen. I'll show you how easy this one to demonstrate and close. It's very simple and easy. You come over here, you push on this arm down. You push on this arm down. Look, as I say, as soon as I push, this is start brake, and then look, here, how easy it is. One hand, done. So easy. And then you come over here. You put the locking mechanism. See how so easy? Don't tell me you can't do it. It's very easy. But if we go inside, I want to go inside now and show you. Even if I don't open it, it's not gonna affect any structure whatsoever inside. Actually, it's gonna make look like I'm walking on a unit. Look, this frameless window, huge. And I don't move nothing. I swear I don't move nothing. It's just very easy. You just close it, and then you still have this beautiful window. You could look up from it. It is genius, the one who ever thought about this one, because it gives you the opening on your unit. Even if I want, I could sit, have my breakfast, and I don't have to open it. And I have a beautiful. So imagine you have a rear view window. Big rear view window. Imagine you buying a trailer with rear view window on the sofa, except here it's kitchen, and give you the option to open it and walk through it and get more fresh air. So this is the 336 BBK. It's a game changer in the travel trailers. Walking from here, this is going to be standard as a Bullet, king size bed, linen closet over there, a lot of storage underneath. And then also this is lift up and you have a storage with doors, deep. And then you have here washer dryer. I could put combo, no question asked. And then you have more closets. Look how deep and look how many clothes you could put this one. I mean, this is a perfect unit if you want to live in it, because it gives you opportunity of having a bedroom slide, king size bed, all the amenities, place for breathing machine, phones, and so on. As well, you come over here, you have a beautiful bathroom with a sink and 2 seating area in the medicine cabinet, and linen closet. Look how easy, look how high the shower, look how the elbow water does not go outside. So this is a perfect unit. Got a lot of stuff on it. I love. If I'm in you, I buy this unit just for the back. I buy this unit just for the back, because what you could find a unit with a big rear view window, and then within seconds you open it and you walk out and you bring the outdoor to the inside. So this is a game changer. Whoever thought about this one, he's a smart. Again, come to Best RVs. Let me demonstrate this for you. Let me show it to you. We have a price no one could match. We'd love to make it coming in.